Do you work with clients that live in a larger body? Do you know what a weight-neutral lifestyle approach is? Fiona Willer is an advanced accredited practicing dietitian and long-term practical academic, combining PhD research, academic teaching in nutrition and dietetics, and providing professional development workshops and training for healthcare professionals. Her academic research areas are dietetic private practice benchmarking, interprofessional learning, and the integration of weight-neutral lifestyle approaches into the practice of dietitians. Fiona explains research findings on why you should change your methods of practicing for certain clients from a weight-centric approach to a weight-neutral approach, and how you can do this as a practitioner. She's a pioneer in the weight-neutral realm and an inspiring presenter. This course is approved by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics as 2 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form, and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. This is a fantastic course and should be compulsory learning for all healthcare professionals working with people who live in a larger body, as traditional approaches do not always work. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link to get started now.